Welcome to the Epic Powder Machinery. We are showcasing the application of our advanced MQW60 Fluidized bed jet mill in the processing of polyethylene paint wax. Paint wax is a crucial additive in numerous industries, including plastics, masterbatch, coatings, inks, and adhesives. Our MQW60 Jet Mill utilizes the principle of compressed air or superheated steam energy to achieve precise, contamination-free particle size reduction. Ready to optimize your paint wax milling process? Visit our website for detailed technical data sheets and application reports.